Welcome back. Today we are at 2253 Potters Road. This lovely home was built in 1950. It's located what literally is kind of like Central Virginia Beach. Close proximity to NAS Oceana, Lynn Haven Mall, the Expressway, Town Center, anything you might need. The home features 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, over 1,200 square feet, plus an added surprise in the backyard. We have new carpet, fresh paint, and I believe there's hardwood underneath the carpet, in case someone prefers hardwood. The living room, full bath, custom tile work, pedestal sink. Bedroom number 1. And right down the hall, bedroom number 2. Appears to be slightly larger. Back out to the living room. Kitchen features dishwasher, refrigerator, electric range, space for a table to make it an eat-in kitchen. And these are custom cabinets that were built when the home was built. Down these brick stairs. Features a recreation room, great room, window into the kitchen, and then down here is our 3rd bedroom. Closet, and over here we have the laundry area and the water heater. Now let's take a step out back. This property is over 1/2 acre. And it features a kind of a custom workshop. You can drive in past the house, lots of parking for equipment. There's a concrete pad in the back from, the assumption is, a previous structure, garage of some kind. We'll get in this shed in a moment. Newer roof, ridge vent. That little structure is a well pump for irrigation purposes. This building kind of features 2 workshops. This is the front piece. It has power. And we're told cable TV, but come around the corner here, and it's the larger of the two workshops. This one features an overhead door, and there is storage up above, workbenches, and your sub panel for your power. Again, this is a half-acre plus lot. It sits on the corner of Potters Road and London Bridge Boulevard. Currently it is zoned residential. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, over 1,200 square feet. Contact your realtor, have them give us a call. Thanks.